This is our hand-finished surgical grade 316L stainless steel. Every Rachiele sink leaves our artisan shop looking exactly like this. Now look what happens when we drag a stainless steel frying pan across the surface. Real contact, real scratches, the kind that would permanently scar most kitchen sinks. All it takes is a Scotch-Brite pad and about a minute of light circular motion. No special tools, just the pad. We spent a great deal of time engineering a hand-finished surface that can be completely rejuvenated decades after installation. Watch the scratches disappear. We finish with a stainless steel cleaner and protectant, and the surface is restored completely. You cannot tell it was ever touched. This is what our hand-finished technique was designed to do. Factory sinks use a directional grain that locks scratches in permanently. Ours does not. This sink can look new whenever you choose.